Every year, over 10 million people apply for one of the 55,000 green cards offered through the US lottery. It's free, it's official, and it could change your life, but only if you do it right. In this video, I'll show you how the 2027 Green Card Lottery actually works, who can apply, and how to avoid the mistakes that disqualify thousands every year. The Diversity Visa Program was created to encourage immigration from countries with lower numbers of recent arrivals to the United States. It's run by the US Department of State and it's completely free to enter. There are no agents, no payments, and no hidden shortcuts. Each year, 55,000 visas are made available through a random computer draw. If you qualify, your application has exactly the same chance as anyone else's. You can apply if you were born in a country listed as eligible on the official instructions. Most countries in Africa, Europe, Oceania, Asia, and the Americas qualify. A few countries are not eligible because they already send large numbers of immigrants to the US each year. You can check the official list on the Department of State website. If your own country isn't eligible, you might still apply through your spouse's country of birth or, in limited cases, through your parents' country of birth. You also need one of two things: either a secondary school education equal to a US high school diploma, or 2 years of work experience in the past 5 years in a skilled occupation that normally needs at least 2 years of training. There's no age limit, but you must meet those requirements to qualify. When the entry period opens, you'll go to dvprogram.state.gov and click Begin Entry. Fill in your details exactly as they appear on your passport. Upload a recent photo that meets the official size and background rules. Check every field carefully before you submit. When you finish, the system will show you a confirmation page with a unique number. Save it and keep it safe. It's the only way to check your result later. Remember, there's no entry fee, and you can only apply once per year. If anyone asks you for money to increase your chances, it's a scam. After you submit your form, there's nothing more to send. You simply wait until results are published on the same website. You'll use the entrance status check tool and enter your confirmation number, surname, and year of birth. The US government never emails winners, and it never asks for payment to release results. If you see a message saying you've been selected, it means you can begin the visa process, but it's not automatic. If you're selected, you'll complete a new online form called DS-260 for yourself and any family members. You'll then gather documents, your passport, birth and police certificates, and education or work proofs. Before your interview, you must attend a medical examination with a US-approved panel doctor. The cost varies, but expect around $200 to $400 per person. At the interview, you'll pay the visa fee of $330 per person, directly to the cashier at the embassy. If approved, you'll receive an immigrant visa in your passport, and can travel to the United States to activate your permanent residence. Here are the mistakes that disqualify most people: submitting more than one entry, using an old or edited photo, entering incorrect personal details, losing your confirmation number, and falling for scam emails. Millions of people apply each year, and around 55,000 visas are issued. The odds are low, roughly 1 in 200, but the process is fair, random, and completely free. If you're eligible, it's worth the 10 minutes it takes to apply. Do it once, do it properly, and then wait. No shortcuts, no payments, just a clear chance at a new start, if your number comes up. Until then, stay patient, keep your confirmation safe, and always check your results on the official site, dvprogram.state.gov.